Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with December 23rd, day 23 of the Spellbinders Advent Calendar. It's about to end, but it has been such a fabulous, fun journey. I hope you guys watched every single day. It has been such a pleasure playing and exploring and using up my stash with all these goodies in the Advent Calendar. On the 23rd day of Christmas, my true love gave to me, thinking of you. I love that. Looks like it's a die set. Yay. Okay, crafters, here is Thinking of You. It's a nice scripty font with a shadow layer. Now let's look at my example. Here is my December 23rd example. I made a cute postcard style card with the florals. So this is the Parcel and Post mailbox. The sentiments, thinking of you, and I love that it has the shadow, fits right here in that open space. Now in this collection, normally this part, you would have the glimmer hot foil sentiment or the stamp sentiment. This time I'm using it like this. I actually used one of the stamp sentiments that would fit in here on my day 17 example. So this would normally be in here, but I think it looks great too with a die cut like this. All right, so let's talk about all that I did to bring out Thinking of You. All of the Parcel and Post collection, which includes the glimmer hot foil plate and the stamps. So these are just the dies from the Parcel and Post collection. Here is the mailbox die set. It's a really nice mailbox. Very easy to put together, and see how it has the florals? But instead of using the florals that comes with it, I used the florals from my die set to put in here. I wanted to see how the garden wreath could be stretched beyond just always making a wreath or a swag. Here I'm using it just as florals to tuck in. So I think it works great here. All of this is half off in the holiday sale. Parcel and Post mailbox. This is perfect for Valentine's. Parcel and Post heart decorations. And there's also a Christmas version. This is the Parcel and Post Christmas decorations. So I could have also changed up the florals that I had tucked in there from that collection. The pattern paper that you're seeing here, Butterfly Sparkle. This is a retired paper pad. It's a 6x6 Spellbinders paper pad. This came in a kit. The only thing I saw available from this still is the pretty butterflies. There's like a 6-pack of butterflies. I'll link it below. So I found this pattern paper in here. The day before, yesterday's video, which I will link here, used this one. So it's just a page after that. I think this graphic pattern paper with the black background and the white print looks so nice for the mailbox. Now behind the Thinking of You, the shadow, I'm also using pattern paper, which I normally don't do, but you know, with the Advent Calendar, I've been having fun. This could have worked too, the newsprint. This is the piece that I use. So I just cut a strip and then just laid this out and cut it. I tried to keep the lines in here straight coming down, even though I have the sentiment. So I just laid all the pieces across like this and cut this little strip. It's about 1 inch. On the top, I'm using matte black foil cardstock for the sentiment, Thinking of You. That's so cute, right? All sorts of pink cardstock from my stash to make the mailbox. My florals now, I'm using Garden Wreath add-on from the Beautiful Wreaths collection. This is on sale now, also in the holiday sale at half off. Let me link the holiday sale video right here. I'll also link it at the end. You could take a look at it because this is a new collection and the entire collection half off. With this one, I'm using both of these right here. That's the topper. This part is also in the same matte black foil cardstock right there. For these two flowers, I'm using right here, this. You can layer it like I did, one on top of the other, or if you stagger it, this one staggered, it will be a square flower. So you have two options with that flower, which is nice. I used this down here, both of these, the berries. This is foliage and 1 berry, and this is 5 berries. So I have the 5 berries, here I have the foliage, and instead of putting that berry on the top, I put the flowers. And that is it. I could have also done the bow, but I didn't know where to put the bow. But I did offset my mailbox a little bit over. I knew I wanted some flowers, I just didn't know how much. When I added a little bit more, it was getting too busy. In here, I have some silver mix gems, the crystal part. I'm using the smaller gems in the pack. In the centers of the yellow flowers here, I'm using Pink Fresh Studio Clear Drops in Clear. That's what I'm using here. But they have the drops in different colors. Yesterday you saw the champagne. That's clear. So I'm just really playing with the set. And I had that paper pad out. That's why I went from here to here. In the background of my card, I am using gray cardstock, 110 pound from my stash. I think the gray is a nice break. It offers contrast between the black and it goes very well with this shade of pink. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. This whole collection, Parcel and Post, is on sale. Beautiful Wreaths collection, that's on sale. This paper pad, if you have it or you have something like it, this might be a nice idea. I'm loving the printed graphic with the mailbox. This is a nice combination together. I might revisit this again. I have one more sheet. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below until December 24th. Wow, tomorrow is the last day of the Advent calendar. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.